How much time does your business spend on banking admin every month? Minutes? Hours? Days? For small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, time is the ultimate currency. And for decades, traditional business banking has felt like it was actively trying to waste it. But what if a new wave of digital-only accounts, like Tide, is fundamentally changing that dynamic? The traditional banking headache. Think about the old way. Opening a business account could take weeks. Managing expenses meant filing receipts and manually reconciling spreadsheets. Need a loan? Prepare for stacks of paperwork and slow, complex approvals. Traditional banks, built on a branch-based model, often struggle to offer the speed, simplicity, and integrated features that modern businesses demand. Their systems are old, their processes are manual, and their service is, well, slow. The digital solution, Tide's new approach. This is where digital-only players like Tide step in. They've rebuilt business banking from the ground up, with the small business owner in mind. The core change is in their platform and accessibility. Tide is mobile first. You can often open an account in minutes right from your phone, not weeks in a stuffy branch. This extreme convenience and accessibility, available 24/7, is a massive shift away from the restrictive hours and locations of high street banks. Integration and automation. But it's not just about speed. The real game changer is integration and automation. Digital-only accounts aren't just a place to hold money, they are an administrative hub. Tide, for example, integrates key accounting tools directly into the banking experience. Imagine this: every time you make a transaction, the app prompts you to categorize it or upload a receipt. It can even automate invoice matching and link directly with popular accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks. This level of seamless integration turns banking from a separate, tedious task into an automated part of your daily workflow, radically simplifying bookkeeping, expenses, and tax prep. For an SME, this can save dozens of hours a month. Lower cost, greater control. Because these digital platforms don't have the overhead of physical branches and thousands of staff, they can offer far more competitive pricing. Many, including Tide, offer a basic account with no monthly fee, charging only small transaction fees. Beyond cost, they provide greater financial control. Features like virtual expense cards for team members, with customizable spending limits, give business owners real-time visibility and control over company spending, something traditional banks rarely offer at a small business level. It's clear the future of business banking is not just digital, it's integrated, fast, and focused on saving you time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.